At first, it just looks like some colourful Lego pieces, but when I turn, there is a heart. And when I turn again, there is a flower. If you like rainbows, you might like this one too. A simple rainbow on one side and a little cute one on the other side. If you would like to make one too, tutorial's coming up next. The challenging part is finding all the pieces. I will start with yellow flower. Let's check how does it look like. Ah, there it is. Nothing on the other side yet. Now let's build a heart. And there it is. Which one do you prefer? Heart? Or flower? I really enjoyed making this. And I hope yours turns out even better. I will be back soon with something new.